In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to change your Snapchat avatar gender. So go to your Snapchat and tap on your profile photo. In here, tap on settings. In settings, scroll down and find out the Bitmoji option, or you can use this search option to find out Bitmoji. Now tap on Bitmoji. And currently my Snapchat gender is male, and here we can see no option to directly change gender. So in case if you want to change your Snapchat avatar gender, you have to delete the existing avatar and then we will create a new avatar with new gender. So tap on unlink my Bitmoji. This will delete our Bitmoji from our Snapchat account. Once you successfully deleted, tap on create my avatar. Now you can just scan your face here, or you can select your gender from here. Let's select female and tapping on skip camera. Okay, now go ahead and customize your Bitmoji or avatar from here. Once you're happy, just tap on save. Tap on yes and go ahead and customize and save your avatar. As you can see, I've successfully updated my Snapchat avatar gender from male to female. Thanks for watching.